Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you all are very fine. Our second lesson is going health and diseases. In previous lecture, in that video, we discussed about the concept of health, scientific definition of health and disease, types of diseases, criteria for classification of diseases, and after that, we discussed about the infectious diseases. Infectious diseases, that means the diseases which spread through the contaminated air, water, food or vectors. From person to person, that diseases may transfer. They are called as the infectious diseases. Today we are going to start next point, some important diseases of present days. First of all, dengue. Mosquitoes lay the eggs in water-logged places and thereby their population increases. Water-logged places, that means where water gets stored, terrace or in the open area, suppose tires, tubes are there or containers are there, empty buckets are there maybe or containers are there in which rainwater get stored, in which rainwater get collect. And in that water, these mosquitoes lay the eggs and their population increases. Different species of mosquitoes spread different diseases. For example, dengue is spread by Aedes aegypti. This disease is caused by Den-1-4 virus belonging to the type of flavivirus. Name of the virus, it is Den-1-4 and this virus is belonging to the type flavivirus. But the mode of transmission, or we can say the transmitting agent through which this dengue transmit, they are nothing but the species of mosquitoes, which Aedes aegypti. Which are the symptoms for dengue? Acute fever and headache and vomiting. Fever is there with headache and vomiting is there. Pains in eye socket is very prominent symptom. Eye socket in which our eyes are there. In that socket severe pain is there. Decrease in platelet count, that may lead to the internal hemorrhage. Internal hemorrhage, that is nothing but the bleeding. Okay, so what is the meaning of platelet? You heard about that? Platelets are nothing but the part of our blood. In our blood, RBCs are there, WBCs are there and platelets are there. So if the count of that platelet, it get decreases and that leads to the internal hemorrhage and it may causes the huge harm. So these are the symptoms for the dengue. Here one diagrammatic representation is there. Observe and discuss. A picture is there and this picture shown in the following and write the description in the boxes. Centrally here Aedes aegypti is there. This diagram indicates what? This diagram indicates us the reasons and preventive measures for dengue. So certain reasons are there. First reason, here this is the storage tank. So write down the answers as per here. Multiplication of mosquitoes can occur in water storage tank. So we have to cover it properly. अगर ऐसे टैंक में वाटर स्टोर करके रखेंगे और उसको ओपन रखेंगे, then in that Aedes aegypti, multiplication of this mosquito may occur. They lay eggs and their multiplication occurs. Second, here drinking water container is there. We can store the drinking water. So we have to clean the drinking water utensils time to time to avoid the breeding of mosquitoes. In third, clean water cooler properly. Summer season में तो हम water cooler use करते हैं. But in rainy season we have to disassemble this water cooler और उसको हमको dry place पे रखना है. अगर ऐसे ही रखेंगे तो इसका जो वाटर ट्रे होता है उसमें वाटर कलेक्ट हो सकता है. So write down these labelings properly. After that, baby, the picture of baby is there, so infection to babies may occur, so cover their body completely, because mosquito bite may occur to that baby and through that infection may occur, so we have to cover their body completely. These are the reasons, and here now preventive measures are there. First preventive measure, guppies fish can control the larvae of mosquitoes. गप्पीज फिश, दिस इज अ टाइप ऑफ फिश. ये फिश क्या करते हैं, जो मॉस्किटोज के लार्वे होते हैं, आफ्टर लेइंग ऑफ द एग्स, व्हेन स्मॉल स्मॉल बेबीज दे गेट फॉर्म, दे आर कॉल्ड एज द लार्वी. ओके, सो दे कैन कंज्यूम दैट लार्वी. अब ये गप्पीज फिश अगर उसको कंज्यूम करेंगे तो उनका पॉपुलेशन क्या हो जाएगा, डिक्रीज हो जाएगा. सो वी हैव टू ग्रो दिस गप्पीज फिश इन वाटर. आफ्टर दैट, insecticide spraying to prevent the mosquitoes. In our colony, in our residential area, in our building, we can spray the insecticide. So due to that we can prevent the mosquitoes. And last one, it is the use of mosquito coils or repellents. Mosquito repellents या फिर mosquito coils हम use कर सकते हैं. So this diagram indicates us the reasons and preventive measures for the dengue. Next disease, it is the swine flu. Reasons of infection. Infection for swine flu occurs through pigs and humans. Viruses of swine flu are spread through the secretions of nose, throat and saliva. This virus, it gets spread through the secretion of nose, throat and saliva. Through our saliva, through our throat or nose, whatever the weighty substance is there, through that spreading may occur. Symptoms, difficulty in breathing. Breathing में क्या होता है, difficulty होता है, sore throat and body pains. After that, diagnosis of swine flu. For diagnosis of swine flu, liquid from the throat of a patient is sent in the laboratory, and in this way their diagnosis is occur. Next disease, it is the AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, the long form of AIDS. This disease is caused by HIV virus. The name of the virus, it is HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. In this disease, victims suffer from various diseases due to progressive weakening of natural immunity. When there is an infection of AIDS occur, proper symptoms are not there. First of all, their immune system get weakened by this viral infection. जैसे इसका इन्फेक्शन होता है, उनकी जो इम्यूनिटी पावर है उस पर ये अफेक्ट करते हैं और उसको वो वीक करते हैं. सो मेनी डिसीजेस, many contamination of disease may occur in these patients. Diagnosis of AIDS cannot be confirmed without tests in medical laboratories. ELISA or ELISA test is used for its proper diagnosis. Symptoms of AIDS are person specific. In different persons, different types of symptoms may occur, and one test is there which is called as the ELISA or ELISA. This test, it is used for the proper diagnosis. After that, infections through animals. Students, through animals also infection may occur. हमने मॉस्किटोज के थ्रू इन्फेक्शन देखा, अभी जो है एनिमल्स के थ्रू कौन से डिसीज के इन्फेक्शंस हो सकते हैं. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इन दैट रेबीज. दिस इज वायरल डिसीज. Here also viral disease is there, but media कौन है यहाँ पे, like dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, these are the mediators through which rabies can be occur. It occurs due to the bite of infected dog, rabbit, monkey, cat, etc. सिर्फ हमको क्या लगता था कि रेबीज मतलब सिर्फ डॉग के बाइट से ही होता है, नहीं. In that different animals are also there. Rabbit is there, monkey is there and cat also there. Infected. Okay, highlight this word, infected dog, rabbit, monkey or cat. Virus enters the brain via neurons. Neuron, that is the nerves. This virus directly enters in the brain via neurons. और brain क्या है, हमको तो पता है कि ब्रेन इट इज अ मेन पार्ट विच कंट्रोल अवर फंक्शंस ऑफ अवर बॉडी. हाइड्रोफोबिया इज वन ऑफ द इम्पॉर्टेंट सिम्टम्स ऑफ द डिसीज. हाइड्रोफोबिया, हाइड्रो दैट इज द वाटर, फोबिया यानी डर लगना. जो पेशेंट है उसको पानी से क्या लगता है, डर लगता है. ओके, दैट सिचुएशन इट इज कॉल्ड एज द हाइड्रोफोबिया. फियर ऑफ वाटर is one of the important symptom of this disease. In this case, the victim shows extreme fear for water. Rabies is fatal disease. However, fatality can be prevented by timely vaccination before onset of symptoms. Highlight this word, fatal disease, that means which leads to the death. इसमें पेशेंट की डेथ भी हो सकती है, बट इट कैन बी प्रिवेंटेड बाय प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन बिफोर ऑनसेट ऑफ सिम्टम्स. सिम्टम्स दिखने के पहले ही अगर इमीडिएटली अगर हम वैक्सीनेशंस मेडिकेशन स्टार्ट कर देते हैं तो पेशेंट सर्वाइव भी हो सकता है. सिम्टम्स स्टार्ट्स टू अपीयर विद इन 90 to 170 डेज ऑफ डॉग बाइट. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, यहाँ पे सिम्टम्स जो है अपीयर होने के लिए टाइम पीरियड बहुत ज़्यादा है. जैसे आज की डेट में अगर किसी को रेबीज के डॉग ने, इन्फेक्टेड डॉग ने अगर बाइट किया तो विद इन 90 to 170 डेज, वेरी लॉन्ग पीरियड, मतलब लगभग 3 months का टाइमिंग है. सो इन बिटवीन दैट अगर कुछ भी सिम्टम्स आपको दिखते हैं तो इमीडिएटली यू कैन टेक द प्रॉपर मेडिकेशन, प्रॉपर वैक्सीनेशन. Symptoms of rabies: fever for 2 to 12 weeks. Exaggerations in behavior. Exaggeration behavior, that means abnormal behavior is there. And hydrophobia, जैसे मैंने बोला कि there is a fear to the water, towards the water, it is called as the hydrophobia. So these are the infectious diseases. In that, mosquitoes are the mediators. Certain animals like dog, cat, rabbit, these are also mediator to transfer the disease. Now next part, it is the non-infectious diseases. What is the meaning of non-infectious diseases? Diseases which do not occur through infections and body contacts are called as the non-infectious diseases. First of all, underline to the definition. This definition is up to this word, diseases. Okay, such diseases arise in human body itself due to certain reasons. First of all, first disease, it is the cancer. It is a non-infectious disease. Person to person ये infection नहीं होगा. Due to certain reasons, it may occur. What is the meaning of this? Uncontrolled and abnormal cell growth is called as the cancer. Cancer group or lump of cancerous cells is called as the malignant tumor. Please underline these lines are very important one, because this is the basic information related to the certain disease. Okay, so group और lump यानी क्या, गांठ के जैसा, और क्लम्प के जैसा एक एरिया फॉर्म होता है which is called as the malignant tumor. tumor यानी क्या, गांठ. Cancer can occur in various organs like lungs, mouth, tongue, stomach, breast, uterus, skin, and tissues like blood. Okay. Reasons: consumptions of tobacco, gutka, smoking, alcoholism, lack of fiber content. Fiber content, that means lack of consumption of fruits and leafy vegetables in the food. Excessive consumptions of junk food like pizza, burgers, etc. are some of the many possible reasons. Heredity may also be a reason. So this disease can be hereditary. That means from parents to their offspring, this disease may transfer. So here different reasons are there. Certain addictions may form the cancer, or in our diet, if only जंक फूड वी कंज्यूम लाइक पिज़्ज़ा, बर्गर और जो भी जंक फूड होते हैं, फाइबरलेस फूड अगर कंज्यूम करेंगे तो भी कैंसर फॉर्म हो सकता है. ओके, एंड लैक ऑफ फाइबर कंटेंट, फ्रूट्स, लीफी वेजिटेबल्स, इनका कंजम्पशंस अपने डाइट में होना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. ओके, सो दीज आर द रीजंस. विच आर द सिम्टम्स? क्रॉनिक कफ, हॉर्स वॉइस, डिफिकल्टी इन swallowing. क्रॉनिक कफ यानी बहुत दिनों से, बहुत टाइम पीरियड से कफिंग इज देयर. हॉर्स वॉइस में चेंज आ जाता है. डिफिकल्टी इन swallowing, you know the process of swallowing, at that time there is a difficulty. Second symptom, incurable scar and inflammation. Scar, that means any cut or any wound if form, okay, that scar it is incurable. कितना भी उसको मेडिसिन यूज करो वो क्योर नहीं होता. थर्ड वन, लम्प्स इन ब्रेस्ट. मेनली दिस यूटेरस कैंसर और ब्रेस्ट कैंसर, this type of or blood cancer, this type of cancer may observe in females. Okay, so breast, that is nothing but the area of chest, in that lumps may form. And last symptom, it is the unexplained weight loss. Sudden weight loss is there and continuously weight loss is occurring. These are the different symptoms of the cancer. Remaining part we will continue in next lecture. Thank you.